Okay, this is Roger again with the Humvee, how to install a top and a slant back from Plan B. As you can see, I already installed the top and the back. I had to do some modifications. You're gonna have to try to put this one on first and adjust the top up and down with these little screws that are right here. I made some different holes on the plates that go inside, and I had to cut them. But it's all primered. I primered the whole thing, ready to go. You can see it. I don't know how wide that this camera does it. That's my other project where I'm building a food truck. That's besides the point. Yep. This is my food truck out of a U-Haul truck. I'll get to that on my next video, but this is my Humvee, and I primed the top already. And that's how it looks when it's all installed. Plan B, top and slant back. And those guys have a good top and a good slant back. So if you guys decide to go with your hard top and a slant back, go with Plan B. Plan B is, I think, the #1 supplies and Humvees, and that's their custom made top and slant back.